This is the Soundcore Pyro Mini Bluetooth speaker, a new speaker from Soundcore. So let's take a look at the quick specs from the box here. So you can just pause and take a look at the specs. So this is a wonderful speaker with a design that has the dynamic light sound. So let's open up and take a look of what's in the box. So this is the Pyro Mini, and we have here, of course, our user manual, and everything is indicated there. Then we set that aside, and also we have this USB Type-C to USB Type-A charging cord. By the way, this does not come with a power brick, but you have power bricks there, and of course the unit itself. So this is now the Soundcore Pyro Mini. That's the speaker grill, and of course we have here the speaker controls, the volume buttons, the light control, the power or the Bluetooth function buttons. And also at the back, as you open this rubber thing here, there's the audio port, the TF or micro SD slot, and the charging port. This is the Pyro Mini with the stretchable strap for portability and for safety. Now this promises a 10-hour playback. It has this 5 LED beads full screen light show with 12 preset lighting effects, in which it goes beat sync, so it syncs to the beat of the music, the lighting effects. With 57mm driver, 6-watt output. And let's listen to the raw sound test of the speaker.
Here we go. like that, Chuck. Here we go.
So there you go. That's the Soundcore Pyro Mini Bluetooth speaker sound test. Now tell me what you think about this one. Put it in the comment section below. Please subscribe. This is Rai. And thanks for being here. See you on the next video. Bye.